So first of all, you want to have a mirror, obviously straight in front of you, nice, even light. And the first thing to think about is the brows, because you lose, it can be hereditary, or it can go with age as well. You lose a lot of muscle tone. So a lot of this can kind of start dropping a little bit here. So if you have your brow pencil and just come in and just do some strokes up and around the brow, just to lift this area, that helps. And then for a highlighter, just put a little bit under the brow bone, but don't come down too much, because it will put too much, it'll bring this forward too much. And then you want a color. Let me see if this is going to work for me today. Like this is my...
You're so good, aren't you?
This is, well, let's see if it all works out tonight. This is my most used color from my professional kit. It's MAC, it's Omega. This is a sort of tone you want, something very matte, very unexciting, the sort of thing you wouldn't even look at in the store, but it's perfect. And obviously, if you're lighter toned or darker toned, you vary the degree of color, but that's the sort of thing, it's kind of a nice taupe color.
Yeah.
And then the best way to do it is actually with your eyes open, look closely into the mirror, and then you get your neutral color.
Yeah.
And then with your brush and your eyes open, so don't do your eyes closed, just touch to the area where it's hanging over the most.
Okay.
So you do it like that. And then when you close your eyes, you'll see it's a lot higher up than you'd have thought of putting it. And then just blend it down. And then you can come in with a slightly darker color and just blend it into that color.
Right.
And then just bring that under the outer third. And then a good idea is to just put a highlighter color on your mobile part of your lid, and that gives a bit of contrast. And with eyeliner, this is good for spring 21 as well. Eyeliners are getting much finer now, so you can put a nice fine eyeline. Don't make it too thick. That's one trick. Or if you are going to use eyeline, another trick is with a pencil, is to come in and just touch it into the roots of your lashes.
Okay.
That's a really, really good way of doing your liner. And if you like, and I know, Sheila, you and your friends aren't going to be wearing false eyelashes, because I know her. But if you are someone who likes to wear a little extended lash, go for ones that extend in the middle. It's a miracle. You put that on and it lifts and it rounds the eyes. It's incredible what a difference that makes. Or if you put on a few little singles like these, focus the length in the center, not all sweeping out. Angles are really important. So from the nose to the corner of the eye, with the brow, don't take it lower than that. With your shadows, don't take it further down. It's all about lifting and opening. And highlighter in this area is fantastic, because it just gives that lifting and open effect. So there's a great tips for hooded eyes, my girls and boys, if you want to use those. And don't forget, I do private one-to-one lessons. So if you're interested in a bespoke lesson and we can look at your face and teach you techniques, DM me and we'll sort something out.
That'd be amazing. Well, yeah, these cosmetic doctors.
Well, oh my gosh, we have access to the most amazing people, and I'm going to introduce you now to my gorgeous cosmetic doctor. This is Dr. Anne Mendelevici. She's one of the best cosmetic doctors in the world, so she's been giving me advice on this, which is incredible.
Yeah.
And she's the best things to use to help with hooded eyes, if you want to go down this route, that's me.
Was that you?
Yeah, she did it for me. This was obviously a while ago before lockdown. We were going to work on a project together, but it's been scuppered by the situation. So anyway, this is Ultraformer, which is ultrasound with radio frequency. Right. It's incredible. So there's a gel that they use, and that's how the frequency comes through. But it's an amazing machine. She just rolls it over your throat and over your face and over your eyes, and it's absolutely brilliant at lifting and sculpting the face. It's really, really good. And here, I'm just going to look at that. This is a good clip there. That's a good close.
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
A little bit more. And that's a really good way. And you'd have to have this done about every 3 months. But that's very good for lifting and opening on the eyes. Sure. And she would say you probably team that up with some Botox. Which a bit of Botox around the eyes, again, is a brilliant way to just lift and open your eyes. And you know, we don't have to be afraid of these things anymore. It's just like going for a facial. It's just all got a little bit more advanced and clever. Yeah. But I'll put Dr. Anne Mendelevici's details on as well, so you can go, you know, now's a good time to research, look at the website, see what
you're totally right. You're totally right. Yeah.
Think about that, because obviously none of the clinics are open at the moment, but we can research.
No, but you've made me feel better about that, because I've not gone down the Botox route or anything like that. I've had facials, I've had those kind of things, but I've never gone down that route. And you've made me feel a lot better about it, in the sense that as you say, no, it's different now. It's not like back in the day when you'd hear horror stories. Do you know what I mean?
Yes,
So yeah, it's
good. That's good.
yeah, you really have. It's it's definitely something.
Oh, maybe I'll take you for a treatment when we're allowed.
I don't know. Yeah, there's things going on, darling. Do you know what I mean? That's what 2020 does to you, eh?
No.
Maybe I deserve a wee pick me up around here.
Birthday treat to you.
Totally. That's fascinating. That's absolutely brilliant.